Hi, my name is Nika Antuanette, and I'm the founder of Bliss and Out.
And I'm Orisha Ray. I'm the founder of Fearless Revolution.
And we're so excited to bring you a very special offering. It's called Awaken Her, a sensual movement experience.
This experience is happening next month, August 20th, Wednesday, from 7 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. It's 90 minutes to awaken all of your sensual energy.
And you deserve it. So we're gonna come on in, we're gonna have some organic Bliss and Out teas. We're gonna enjoy some aphrodisiac CBD edibles as well, made by yours truly. They're vegan, they're gluten-free. And we're gonna awaken within through a gentle warm-up, breathwork, vocalization, some mindful movement exercises, some dance isolations, just to tap into that before.
And then we're gonna go deeper. So after Nika wakens you up, then we're gonna step into that mind-body connection with some sensual movement and awaken that feminine energy. We are not changing anything. We're just bringing out what's already in there. This beautiful mind-body connection is something that you deserve. So we're really looking forward to seeing you next month.
And we have some special goodies and giveaways. So everybody's going to receive some CBD granola from Bliss and Out, as well as
everyone's going to receive this gift bag right here, so that you can have some sensual evenings. More to come.
You won't want to miss that. And we also have the unlucky winner is also going to receive a large Bliss and Out full-size CBD granola, as well as the choice of teas. So we have a green tea, sencha, organic. We have an organic sencha green tea, as well as an organic vanilla chai black tea. So you can enjoy these Bliss and Out teas as well as the lucky winner. Plus,
they will also receive this lovely sensual LSM Lip Service Mastery gift bag. I'm going to walk you through all of the wonderful toys in this bag, and you will have some wonderful experiences after you get home.
So be sure to, check out the link in the bio. We'd love to see you here, and you can get special early bird discount tickets until the 13th of August.
Yes, so make sure you mark your calendars. We're really excited to see you next month, and we're going to enjoy this beautiful experience together.
8 lucky attendees will be able to join us in this beautiful studio just steps away from Grand Central. So check it out. We look forward to flowing together soon.
Yes, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.